In this video, we will show you how to log in on AWS Lightsail using IAM user or Identity Access Management user that created by the root user. IAM is just the successor of the single sign-on. To log in on AWS Lightsail, maybe you are confused. Now, we will show you how to do that. First, let's open the AWS Lightsail. Let's find just on the Google. And using AWS Lightsail, you must have the three details. Is this IAM user and the password, the identity user and the password. So not like the common login form, just user and password. In the Lightsail, you must have the IAM, the identity of the user. In here, let's just click sign in. You can see there is IAM user. Just click this, and in here you need to input 12 digits. Then you can click next, and the username for IAM and the password. Let's just input, that's all. And after you are done, you can just click sign in here. Now you are successfully logged in on the AWS Amazon Lightsail. And that's all tutorial how to log in on Amazon Lightsail using IAM user. Hope this video helpful for you.